Welcome to IT Self Education. Now I'm going to showing how to calculate age in Excel. This tutorial video will be show you step by step how to calculate someone age in Excel when you have a date of birth. It also provides the formula so that the age calculation will be updated automatically as day, month and year. So before starting, I want to say one thing. If you already subscribe my channel, thanks for that. Or still haven't subscribed, please subscribe my channel for watching my next update. So stay with me until finish this tutorial video. Then only you can learn from here how to calculate someone age in Excel. Okay, let's start.